Ready? Let's go.
Happy birthday, Police Major General Nicolas Deloso Torre III, CIDG Director. From Marmo family, mabuhay! Happy birthday, Police Major General Nicolas Deloso Torre III, from Provincial Operations Unit of Samar Police Provincial Office, mabuhay! Birthday greetings from Pedmo family, Police Major General Nicolas Deloso Torre III, CIDG Director. Happy birthday, sir! Happy birthday, Police Major General Nicolas Deloso Torre III, CIDG Director. From Samar Picado family, mabuhay!
Happy birthday, Police Major General Nicolas Deloso Torre III, CIDG Director, from Samar PPO Finance.
Maupay na adlawhan natawan, Police Major General Nicolas D. Torre III, CIDG Director, from Samar PPO family.
Happy birthday, Police Major General Nicolas D. Torre III, CIDG Director, from Samar PPO.
Police Major General Nicolas D. Torre III, Sir, Director of CIDG, the main and women of Samar Police Provincial Office. Greetings and happy birthday to a great leader and wonderful person. Thank you for inspiring us in your vision and values. Again, happy birthday, sir!
Police Major General Nicolas Deloso Torre III, CIDG Director. Happy birthday, sir!
To the CIDG Director and my snappy upperclassmen, Police Major General Nicolas Deloso Torre III, sir, wishing you a happy birthday. May you have many more candles to blow, cakes to slice, and many more birthdays to come. With that, sir, happy birthday again, and my snappy son.
Warmest birthday greetings to Police Major General Nicolas D. Torre III, sir. Your leadership, dedication, and service to the nation inspire many. May this special day bring you good health, happiness, and continued success in all your endeavors. Wishing you strength and wisdom as you live with integrity and honor. Happy birthday, sir!
Maligayang kaarawan, Police Major General Nicolas Torre, sir. Sa ngalan ng Samar Police Provincial Office, taos-puso po kaming pinapaabot ang aming pagbati sa iyong kaarawan. Naway patuloy kayong pagkalubuan ng Diyos ng masaganang biyaya, malusog na pangangatawan, at matagumpay na pamumuno bilang direktor ng CIDG. Maraming salamat po sa inyong dedikasyon at malasakit sa Philippine National Police at sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Muli, maligayang kaarawan at naway magkaroon kayo ng isang masaya at makabuluhang selebrasyon. Mabuhay po kayo, sir.
Happy birthday.